Duramax, will you be my valentine? No. Looks like I'll be cranking myself tonight. What's up, suckers? That's right, we're still working on the Duramax, and as much love as I have for this truck, it's still kind of being a pain. So we're going to continue with our sensors here, and we're going to get the correct sensor installed. So check it out. So yeah, I found the right plug, and this is it. This is our crank position sensor, as opposed to the cam position sensor, which I pulled out yesterday. So I ended up buying both. Why? I might as well here. Why not replace them? Who knows how long they've actually been in there. And since I have the parts out, we're going to go ahead and put them back in. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get these installed, and I will let you know what happens. Alright guys, so you see where that plug is? Right there? Right above that. Now I'm facing aft. So this is your harmonic balancer right here, harmonic balancer. And if you're facing forward, it's just up to the left of the harmonic balancer is your crank position sensor. I don't know if I can get up in there to show you the cavity, but let's take a look here. See if I can't do something fun for you guys. Nope, that's a nightmare. Just so you guys can see the comparison between the crank and the cam position sensor. See, our crank position sensor has that little offset. I don't know if you guys can see it that well. Oh yeah, there it is. See the offset O? It gets mounted upside down, and the plug goes in like that. Whereas the cam position sensor is almost straight up and down, straight flush. So, and it gets mounted just like that, but this bolt's hidden. And it's kind of a pain. Both bolts are 10, by the way, but this one I'm kind of dreading because it's going to be hard to blind put that in. Okay, so the crank position sensor is installed, and I've got it tightened down. Now I'm moving on to the cam position sensor, you know, the one that I mistakenly took out. Oops. Alright, so ingenuity at its finest. I super glued the 10 mil inside my 10 mil socket so it doesn't fall out, because I've dropped it twice already and I don't want to keep fishing for it. Also, Rich shut up. So
moral support, Des. Moral support.
Moral support. I don't think he ain't working today. Okay, so we ended up taking the serpentine belt out. Well, I didn't. I went inside to use the restroom, and I came back out, and this little Christmas elf gave me a gift. Yeah, he took the serpentine belt out and got that bolt installed for me. So I thought you said you weren't doing work.
You know me.
Yeah, I love you. Anyway. We've got it all put back together, so now comes the moment of truth. Will it start? Is this my fix? Come on. Here we go. That's about right. Okay, so put everything back together. Both new sensors are in. My code reader took a shit. It starts, but it won't stay running. We know it's not starting issues. Plenty of power. The starter's good. It's turning the motor over. We know that we've got stuff. I actually went out and bought a brand new battery for my accessories over here, and now we're firing up every single time. You can hear it. It's got a good fire, but it will not stay running. So, sounds like it's going to be a fuel issue. What I haven't checked yet is the sending unit. What if the sending unit's bad? So next weekend, I think the plan is going to be to install a fast system. We talked to a diesel mechanic, and he heard it crank over, and he's like, it sounds like you got air because it's starting to run, and then it just dies out. If the new fast system that we're going to install in this, that I've had for a while, I'm meaning to swap this out. Now it's just like kind of like, hey, you have it, let's do it. It's kind of forcing itself upon us. If that doesn't work out, then it's probably going to be the fuel pump, which means the entire top end of the motor's coming out. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. And if I take it to a mechanic, it's like $3,500. So, time or money. Anyway, sorry to suck. Just don't give up. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Hopefully one day we can get this pig of a truck doing what it does best, and that's towing whatever the hell it wants.